Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 14th episode about JavaScript Basic. In the previous episode, we worked on null and undefined. Today, we'll work on the if statement. First of all, open your text editor and open the 14th folder if statement. Open start and main.js. Then let's add the if statement. Under this condition, let's add true. So if the condition is true, let's add console.log hello world 1. To check the preview, open the browser, open developer tool, go to console and refresh the page. You should see hello world 1 over here. Then let's add another if statement. Here add false condition. Then add console.log hello world 2. If you check the preview, you won't see hello world 2 because our condition is false. Then let's add another if statement. This time, let's compare two different numbers. For example, 5 is equal to 5. Then add console.log hello world 3. Check the preview and you should see hello world 3 over here. If you want to use not equal to, then you can add exclamation mark and double equal. So this means 5 is not equal to 5. Let's see the result again, and this time we don't see anything over here because the condition is false. 5 is actually equal to 5. Now let's create a variable cost and assign them to 20. Add if statement, and under this condition you can add cost is greater than 10. So cost means 20, so 20 is greater than 10, so it is a true condition. So let's add console.log hello world 4. You can check the preview and you should see hello world 4 over here. Likewise, you can also add less than equal to, or greater than equal to. Now let's work on this floating point number. Let's create a variable number and assign them to 1.1 plus 1.3. Add the if statement. And under this condition, let's add number equals to 2.4. Add console.log hello world 5. Let's check the preview now. And we can't see hello world 5 over here because the number is not equal to 2.4. So let's check them. Let's add console.log number. So the actual value of number is not 2.4. It has got a lot more digit at the end. To fix them, over here you have to add to fixed. We need 2 digits, so you can add 2 over here. And whenever we use to fixed, it becomes string, so we have to convert them into number. So add plus at the beginning and it will convert into number. Once done, you can check the preview again, and this time you can see hello world 5 over here as the condition get true. So be careful whenever you use floating point number. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on the if-else statement. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link below. Thank you and see you soon.